The basic idea is that it's a twofold facility. One is that I perform repairs on equipment that's out of warranty for different laboratories. The second part of it is the fabrication side of things. A scientist may decide that they need a certain apparatus to do a specific type of research in their lab. We come up with a preliminary concept. I bring that into my lab. I do a 3D drawing of the object in a CAD program or in some other 3D modeling program. From there, I'm able to share with them the digital rendering. We discuss it. If there are any changes that need to be made at that point, I make changes.
There's this iterative process where they make something, it's either perfect or maybe it needs tweaking. But that ability to get something modified and tested immediately, even within minutes, is critical to getting exactly what you need.
The nice thing about 3D printing is you can print your idea, see how it works, come up with new ideas, and go to the next iteration.
I then produce a 3D physical model inside of a 3D printer. I've got several different types of 3D printers to choose from, depending on the level of detail. I can go with a resin printer if it requires high detail, or I can go with a fused deposition modeling printer if it needs to be higher durability but lower detail. From there, I provide them with a working prototype. They approve or tell me what needs to be modified, come back, reiterate, do that a couple of times until they're satisfied, and we have the final working version.
We've designed all sorts of things from behavioral apparatuses to objects for the mice to interact with. It's been a really incredible resource for us. There's just a lot of things we wouldn't be able to do otherwise, and it's saved us quite a bit of money.
I try and describe and create an image of, I know what I want, but I need somebody to bring that into real life. There may be alternative ways of doing it, and having that other person to bounce those ideas off who then can actually do it is important. A lot of expensive equipment can fail for very inexpensive reasons. Most of us will probably see a box when we don't know the first thing to do to make that thing work. The Prepare facility provides an opportunity to get a troubleshooter who can come and say, that is a 20-cent fix as opposed to a $20,000 replacement.
I've got a background in lab robotics and different technical fields that kind of give me a better understanding of what some of this equipment can do and how to work on it. They may be old centrifuges or old detectors that's no longer under any kind of contract or no longer under any kind of warranty.
The ability to kind of figure all that out very quickly is a really critical aspect of the repair side. And then it does fit very well in to the fabrication side, because sometimes either you need to replace a part that's hard to find, or you actually need to even modify an existing part, sort of improve the functionality of whatever it is that needs to be fixed.
And in today's world, having the troubleshooting and the 20-cent fix may be a lifesaver for our sites here at NIEHS.
I really do like interacting with different researchers and understanding what they're doing and how I can help them do that. I get to come in and design stuff and 3D print it. If you need to reach me via email, it's james.honeycutt@nih.gov, or you can reach me by phone at 984-287-4272.
Having him on site is absolutely critical in this. It really wouldn't work any other way. Going from concept to final product happens very, very quickly, sometimes within a day or two. And normally this is something that would take weeks to months if you were trying to do this with someone who's not on site.
Most of the time when I interact with somebody, they're very happy to see me because they see me as an avenue to get something that they need for their research.
We can engineer things. We don't have to rely on finding something that's sort of what you want. We can get what you want.
They get to take this thing that's only lived in their head for several years, and now it's not only out on paper or out on a computer, it's physically in the palm of their hand. I can't think of a single collaborative effort that I've been involved with that wasn't rewarding in that regard.